everybody! Welcome to Learning with Rain. I'm here to tell you about a creative, new way that I can make learning fun. And I'm not just any character. I was created as a powerful custom AI learning tool by Expert Creative Designs with one exciting mission: to make learning fun for children of all ages. AI learning animations do not replace teachers or parents. They support instruction, reinforce lessons, enhance engagement, and provide visual examples. AI is simply the amplifier to encourage learning. Did you know that our learning animations can be translated into over 120 different languages? That means children all around the world can learn no matter where you stand. Learning with Rain is for you. Now just imagine this, your child becoming the star of their very own TV show. The lights shine, the music builds, and suddenly, they're not just watching the lesson, they are the lesson. I bring imagination to life, turn lessons into unforgettable adventures, and help every child see themselves as the hero of their own educational journey. Custom AI learning animations don't just improve learning, they transform it. It becomes a fun learning adventure and turns every child into the star of the animation. You can create custom AI animations with your face, your choice of clothing, any background setting, any educational topic, add favorite person or fictional character. With our custom AI learning animations, each child takes center stage, learning, singing, exploring, discovering, and achieving success in a world created entirely around them. I can travel anywhere! Right now, I am an astronaut traveling through space with my new friend Galaxy. That's right! The aliens watch her YouTube channel every day! Now I'm at the circus riding elephants with my favorite cousin Imani. We love having fun, but nothing is more important than education. Custom animations mean that children can learn from anywhere doing anything that makes them happy. We can visit the aquarium and we can even ride the pretty fish! I love learning with my little magical fur baby Blossom. Custom animations mean we can learn anywhere. And I can even add my favorite fictional characters to share my learning adventure. These aren't ordinary videos. These animations are specifically designed to cater to the individual needs of your child. This isn't passive learning. This is immersive, empowering, unforgettable education designed to make them feel confident, capable, and celebrated. Our AI learning animations are especially transformative for children with autism, learning differences, or behavioral challenges. We can create social story animations that cater specifically to children that have social and communication difficulties and those that need guidance with behavioral and emotional regulation. We understand that every child learns differently, and that difference is a strength. When children see themselves on the computer, phone screen, or tablet, they become the star of their own learning adventure. Something life-changing begins to happen. They spark deeper engagement and they trigger curiosities. Confidence rises. Fear fades. Self-doubt begins to disappear. All of a sudden, they become interested in learning. If you believe every child deserves to feel confident, capable, and excited about learning, now is the time to make sure that your students have an education that prepares them for success. Leave a comment below or send a DM if you'd like a custom learning animation for your child. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.